It is me, JP. Welcome to another exciting episode of Spider Sprue. Today we'll be doing pack 9 of Hachette, Germany's DRG BR-01. That's a train, you know. Of course you know. That's why you're following me. And these are going to be stages 32 to 35. So without further ado, let's get building. Too close to the camera. Fooled you. Here's our magazine. Here's our parts. So like we done in the last pack, put the D down here. I'm going to start greasing them now. Then we get a C. Short end at the top. Put that in now. Nice and greased up. Just go in there. Like that. Then we get the motor from the last pack. Here it is. Nice and greased up. That'll be just going in there. Like that. Housing over the top. And some HP screws. HP screws. So it's looking like that. Because this is going to be slightly... So this is going to go in this direction this time. And that is going to go into here. Like that. Got that the right way round. I'm going to spin it around anyway. And then we're going to secure them here, 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 here and here with some HP screws. So it's looking like that, and when that is done, then we get this little piece and we'll just put it in its home here. Again, dab of glue. That is looking like that. That's what our product shot should look like. That's what it looks like. And that is the end of stage 32. Here's our magazine. Here's our parts. Oh, we've got some electrics. Ooh. The first thing it wants us to do is get this piece, the lens, and this piece. That will just go in there. Nice friction fit. So a little bit of glue around the edge here. Oh, you can't see that. Try and not get it in my fingers. And that will be going round here. In which direction? Okay, in that sort of direction. So looking like that. Then let's get this all untangled. It's all untangled now. Oops. Then it wants us to put it on the extension here. Like that, and then it wants us to test the light. Oh, you could see that. So I need my tester. I wonder if Spider-Man 1 will work. Yes, it does. Spider-Man 1 will work. So that is working nicely. Then once that is done, move that to the side for a minute. And we get this piece and this piece, and we'll put it together. Don't think it's directional. It's a friction fit, so it should just go in. And as you can see, it is directional because that looks terrible. And the back. There you go. Right, it is directional. So line it up so the seams are correct. So if you do it the wrong way round, like I just did, you can see the seams are not aligned. So it should be looking like that. So that's better. So do a dry fit first. Don't push it all the way down to make sure that seam is going all the way round. And once that is done, then it wants this piece, which will be going on this side. Making sure the flat end is at the bottom. And it wants us to glue it. Of course it wants us to glue it. So again, flat end here at the bottom. Looking like that. So once that is done, getting these pieces, and they'll be going in there like that. So let's get the picture right. So that's going like that. So friction fit, that should go in like that, like so, in that direction there. Same with this side. Friction fit, so that should be looking in that orientation like that. We are going to put it on, move it over here, oops, that's just going to go in there. Is it going to be a friction fit? Nice friction fit there. That's not going to come out. So that is looking like that in that orientation. I'm just going to put some glue on there to be on the safe side. It doesn't tell me to do it, but I will. So that is looking like that. Oh, and that's it. So what we have left over is this piece and this piece. Astrotain's taken out all the spotlight. And that is the end of stage 33. Here's the magazine. Here's our parts. Nothing in the bag. Oh, we've got some little pieces here. Oh, yeah. So we're going to do another one of these lights. Oh, we've got another one of these. Let's get this untangled first. Like we've done before. I'll just go in there. Then we get some glue around the edges. So that orientation there, like that. And when you flip it over, or just put that on this way like that, should look like that. Then we test the lights. That works. Then we get this here, and then we got little things here. And they're going to go into these little holes here. So I don't know if you can see that clearly. Ah, there you go, that would be looking like that. And then we do hole here. So that's looking like that. Then there's two holes right next to these bolts. These will go in there, these little U-shaped things. And get the one from the last stage. Do the same. Always one that wants to fight you. So that's looking like that. Then we get the lights. So the one with the extension will go on this side here. Definitely don't need glue for that. And the one that we got on this stage, okay, let's see if I can put that in without taking that out. Oh, you can. Okay. Oh, nearly broke that piece at the top. So that's looking like that. Yeah, so all that fight, I need this to go at the back. So that should be in that orientation. Making sure that is at the back of these little U-shaped things. And that's what a product shop should look like. That's what it looks like, and that is the end of stage 34. Here's our magazine. Here's our parts. Tiny bits. Make sure there's nothing in there. The first thing it wants us to do is spin this around and we get these pieces, and they will be going right, they're sort of angled, so they'll be going this way. One there and one there. Looking like that. So in that orientation like that. Same on the other side. That one went down better than the other one. So that is looking like that. Then we get this little small hooky thing, and that will be going in there. But it does want to get glued in. So I'm glued. Just put that in there like that. That is looking like that. Nice detail. And then we get these little pad things. And they'll be going in like that. So there is a left and right. So the left on this side, that direction. Don't need glue in that, that's quite good. That one on that direction. That's looking like that. And that is the end of that stage, and that is the end of that pack. Well, I hope you enjoyed that episode of Spider Sprue. So we've got some more electrics. Now if you'd like to get this for yourself, and if it's still available, but I don't think it is, I'll put where to get it in the description down below. Also, go and check Will's workshops out with his mallard. And again, to show you what part works used to look like in the day. A lot of painting, a lot of bending, screwing. Anywho, you know the drill. Subscribe, like, hit that notification bell if you're already subscribed, and most of all, we are all too close to the camera.